beautiful peoples, it's Odette here and welcome back to today's video. I hope you guys are doing super awesome, well and wonderful, and I thank you so much for watching, and I do appreciate you tuning in today to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Odette and I do upload videos here on YouTube. Please subscribe if you want to see a few different things on this channel. I upload whenever I feel like uploading, but you can still subscribe, okay? In today's video, my loves, I am going to be doing makeup and outfit today. Shoes, my bag, what's in my bag. I'm going to be hanging out with my friends today, and we're just going to be having a little date night, all of us. So I'm just going to show you guys the whole bag, from the makeup to the clothes to the shoes to the bag, what's in the bag, and all of that. And I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I would love to hear your thoughts and your comments in the description box. My name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you next time. Bye! my lovelies, I am done with the makeup. I'm going to show you guys my outfit in a second. The hair is called Cooper, and this is from YoungOdette.co.uk. I'm going to leave the link in the description box for you guys just in case you want to get this unit. The makeup is really easy, really simple for a date night get together with my friends, and I'm really loving this look, and I'm going to show you guys the full outfit in a second. Really easy, really simple. Jeans and a shirt from Old Navy, and that should be coming up just about now. Okay, my lovelies, let me show you what I'm going to be wearing on my feet. These are beautiful sandals. These are from Dorothy Perkins. These are so gorgeous, and I love this chain detail right there. I'm going to leave the card of my sandals haul for you guys, and I do love this beautiful gold detail just right at the top. That's gonna be on my feet. Love these, and they're very, very comfortable. Although the heel is a little bit small, but they are really, really, really comfortable. I've worn these before. Really comfortable sandals. And this is the top. This is the shirt, but first I am wearing my favorite piece of jewelry. You guys know I am in love with this necklace, and I got it from, I think, ASOS, and it just goes with just about everything. I'm not wearing any earrings today, just the necklace, because I want to keep this really simple and casual. The shirt, I'm just gonna pan down a little bit for you guys. The shirt is from Old Navy. It's a medium-sized shirt, slightly oversized, okay, and I just rolled the sleeves up. I'm just going to show you the back, and it falls nicely over the bum, has this lovely curve almost, which I really, really do like. Very, very comfortable for sitting down and for getting up and all of that. Really, really, really cute. Love that. And I'm just going to show you guys my jeans. The jeans are also from Old Navy. I'm just going to bring the camera down. Just give me 1 second. And these are the jeans. They are very, very comfortable, fit nicely to the back, and the pocket just lands nicely to the bum. These are a size 14, and you still do have a little stretch in these. And these are slightly boot cut, and they are very, very, very pretty. Love them, very comfortable. Lovely, lovely stretch to them. And again, this is the back, and it fits really, really nicely up here on your back side. You've got 2 beautiful pockets, and of course you do have the patch pockets to the side, just like so. And yeah, this is the outfit. So I'm just going to put on the shoes so you guys can see what it looks like. Hope you guys can see my feet. These are the sandals on, and again, they're very, very comfortable. And the jeans are a slightly boot cut, which I really love. Very, very, very comfortable. The sandals is so beautiful and comfortable. Really, really nice. Love that. Very, very pretty. Love these sandals. And my toes are, of course, purple, so it goes really, really nicely. And there we go. This is the full outfit. Jeans, shoes, top. So let me show you guys the bag I'm going to be taking with me. And this is the cute little bag right here. Beautiful, gorgeous tassels. Love this bag. I think I'm going to link it in the description box for you guys. And this bag I got probably 4 years or so ago. And this is from Dorothy Perkins, I think it was. Really nice and cute. Let's just bring that close so you guys can see. Love these little tassels right there. Okay, and I'm just going to show you guys what's in my bag. I do have sanitizer spray. I do have a mask just in case, and I also like to walk with these little wipes as well, just in case the seat may be dirty, or the tabletop may be dirty, or maybe one of my friends needs to clean their hands, or something fell, or something like that. I do have my phone. Okay, this is the blood powder from MAC, and this is just a retractable brush. I have a bucket of water in here, just not quite full, okay? And of course I do have my wallet, and the wallet is from River Island, okay? This is a very small bag, but I gotta tell you something, it packs a punch. It holds a lot of stuff in this bag, and there we go. Ready to go for the evening. The girls are gonna be picking me up. I'm not going to be driving or anything like that today. I'm going to be getting picked up today, and we are ready to go for a lovely evening out. And there we be. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I do hope you enjoyed watching. As I said earlier, leave me your thoughts and your comments in the description box. I know I'm gonna have a fun time later tonight with my friends, and I thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette. I shall see you guys next time. Bye.